How to soft reset iPhone 14. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. As you use your iPhone normally throughout the day, it stores a lot of temporary data in its memory, such as app data, cache files, and system processes, or other stuffs like this, and over time, this data can build up a lot and cause your iPhone to slow down or sometimes even become unresponsive. Giving your iPhone a soft reset will basically help fix these issues. By performing a soft reset, you are essentially clearing out some of the temporary data and restarting the iPhone's operating system, so it's like a fresh start for all the processes, which can help resolve minor issues and improve the performance of your iPhone. Performing this reset will not delete any of your data, so you do not have to worry about that. To soft reset, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally press the power button on the right side of your iPhone. You will see the slide to power off option. Do not touch the screen and keep holding the power button until the Apple logo appears. Once the Apple logo appears, you can release the power button. Your iPhone will restart automatically now, and this is how you reset iPhone 14 or basically most of the latest iPhone models. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.